Welcome back to Muscle Car. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Boston Beetle, a car that blends classic charm with modern innovation. This latest model continues the legacy of the Beetle while introducing features that are perfectly suited for the demands of today's drivers. Under the hood, the Boston Beetle comes equipped with a 1.8L turbocharged engine, delivering 170 horsepower and 200 lb-ft of torque. Despite its compact size, it offers a surprisingly robust performance. There's also a hybrid option, which provides an impressive fuel efficiency of up to 60 miles per gallon, making it an excellent choice for eco-conscious drivers. In terms of design, the 2025 Boston Beetle stays true to its roots with its iconic rounded shape and smooth curves. Modern touches like LED lighting and refined aerodynamics give it a contemporary edge. The interior is thoughtfully designed with high-quality materials and ergonomic seating. A 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system adds a layer of advanced functionality, ensuring convenience and entertainment on every drive. Safety features are another major highlight of the Boston Beetle. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a range of driver assistance technologies. These features provide peace of mind whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. Practicality is another area where the Boston Beetle shines. Its compact exterior doesn't compromise on interior space. The car offers ample room for passengers and cargo, making it versatile enough for daily commutes or weekend adventures. With its blend of timeless design, advanced technology, and impressive performance, the 2025 Boston Beetle is a standout in its class. It's a car that appeals to nostalgia while meeting the expectations of modern drivers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Muscle Car.